Bor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Kynmaw buram Sngi Kabashis Pakistan Post Nem jo Sardar Bhoi Patel Blatip Rukum the Iron Man of India Nakalyang ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya Hagajing Snok Tilang Bat ka Mai Bharat Meghalaya Lembak ka Kinhun NSS Mantaka Sngi Klapenlong ka Kjat Blatip kum ka Unity March Kablastang nadu na Indoor Stadium Lyngkhuh Bat Penkut Hadu Aphalau jong Bhoi College Kumanjukado, yagan ke campaign batip kum ka Sardar at 150 Unity campaign laplat patba yaka do Dr. Mansukh Mandavia Menteri Beripet Jagatan Youth Affairs and Sport hakan rutrik jong benai risau arajar posan ban Kynmaw buram yaga jingdap ka Bashis Pakistan Post Nem jong Sardar Bhoi Patel ka jingthmu jong gani ke Unity campaign lingba gani ka march kalong banwan ra ikamen sem jingatili kamen sem yale bat bandon ni ka jingba kli hakim lang kasalang
Shri Michael Mate, the Deputy and the convener of this Unity March, Shri Kynmaw.
Ensure that the dreams and the vision that he had for India are fulfilled. Today, as we speak about Sardar Bhoi Patel, we all know his contribution as a freedom fighter, that he was one of the stalwarts. He was one of the stalwart freedom fighters. He had a huge role in the initial administration of the entire country as Home Minister. Over here, contributions which have gone far and beyond in ensuring that India is today the country that it is. The first contribution that he made, and which is probably the seminal contribution and is something that was unimaginable at one point of time, that when India got independence in 1947, India was not India as we see today. India was a administrative nightmare. There was British India, and apart from British India, there were 565 princely states. 565 princely states, just to reiterate. And it was Sardar Bhoi Patel's courage, grit, determination, and aided by a very capable civil servant, late B.B. Menon ji.
For me to present here this morning for this very important program. As a citizen of India, it is our duty to remember such a great personality, late Sardar Bhoi Patel, on his 150th birth anniversary, in which this Unity March has been organized, and to remember such an eminent personality, I felt very fortunate to myself to be part of this beautiful program this morning. When we remember the legacy of this famous person, who have contributed towards oneness of our country, India. Prior to the 15th of August 1947, is one of the prominent figure how to fight with the British to ensure that India will attain its independence on the 15th of August 1947. When we remember this famous person, we cannot deny the fact and the contribution of the other leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and other prominent leaders who have contributed toward this great cause that as a country we are witnessing till today. We have a beautiful constitution that has been drafted, and I'm proud to say that as one of the citizens of the state, we cannot deny the fact the contribution of Reverend J.J.M. Nichols-Roy, one of the members in the Constituent Assembly, to draft this constitution and to ensure that people in the hills in those days, especially the northeastern region, and we had the privilege today through the 6th schedule of the Constitution that as the tribal of the state, we had a privilege on customary law.
With a meaningful program, a very important program. We assemble here, we are gathering here to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. Who is the Sardar Patel? Many young generation will not be much aware about the contribution contributed by this great personality. He was the first Home Minister of India. He's a person who has brought all the about 650 princely states together to make the jurisdictions and above of our country, India, today. He is a man who always speaking about the unity of all these citizens of our country. Whether it is a caste, creed, or religions, we are one. We are no different from which community to the another community. We are all the human being. It is created by one God only. So today, I am very happy that from our party, BJP, and also with the department, they are organizing this program. I'd like to thank the party members also who are present here today to ensure that this unity, it should not end only when we are marked the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. It should be printed in our mind, the soul, and our spirit. When we are going from here also, we will not allow any discriminations, any hatred that will be prevails in our life, in the life of our people. And nobody should be allowed that hatred, the discrimination, the misunderstanding among all the people of our country. I'm not saying only the people of our country, even the people of other country. We are proud to be an Indians, but we have to respect for the people from the other countries also at the same time. We should be above the caste, creeds, and religions. We should bring the unity among all the people of our country. So we have seen in few years and also happening in these days, there are many people, including, I'm telling you, don't take me otherwise. Even the student organization, maybe in our states or outside this, in our country, he have misused and it go against the law. They have taken the law into their hands, which do not be allowed. We have here the Deputy Commissioner who are looking for the entire administration. We have the police department, and also, like the peace-loving citizens, it's our duty and responsibility to ensure peace to everyone who are residing not only in only our state, those are coming from outside our state also. We should be proud to ourselves but respect for others. If we go with that kind of letter and spirit, I'm telling you, we'll make this world a better place to live in. We should make this world a better place to live in for you, for me, and for everyone. We should not give a place or not should not allow any hatred. We should not allow any discrimination to come in our life.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic.
We are the cartoon heroes. Coming from Bounty Land.
Oh my love, I know you want my candy man, and oh my love, your word is my command. Jones, calling Dr. Jones, Dr. Jones, Dr. Jones, wake up now.
Wake up now.
If you're having a good time.